jumped off. See that? He just barely jumped up. Come here. He's not even acknowledging it now.
Come here.
She didn't want
Good
to.
boy.
She didn't want to acknowledge
That's
it.
a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy, yes, sir.
Go like towards the ridge. The dog is a little bit this way. I mean, he makes it this way to the left. Okay. That cactus. That's there to the left. He's picking it up here for a second. That's to your left.
Yeah. Hey, directly to your left. Okay. Run it up.
See that?
Run it up. Where's the wind?
You got a breeze.
A little bit from the.
Oh.
You pay no mind to that. She smells it, she's just ignoring it, or hears it.
Here, run it up. Run it up. Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Run it up.
You know where it's at, right?
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
Hey. Run it up. Hey. Run it up. Hey. Hop it.
But I thought the game was the other guy had the bird bag.
Come here, come here, here. Oh, yeah, oh my God.
Not gonna
Wow.
get back.
Wow. Wow, stay okay. Whoa.
Even if she really didn't know, I wasn't going to give her the second chance.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to try again? Come on. Hey.
But she actually knew that smell and that noise.
Damn, well, if you'd have had it on the wind.
Yeah. Now, see. Good. Pull her out of
Well done.
Good girl.